Hello and welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 3 divided by 3 divided by 3 divided by 3. Remember that whenever an expression there are more than one division, then we can solve it from left to right. So I can solve firstly this from left to right. So 3 divided by 3, which is equal to 1 divided by 3 divided by 3. Okay guys, now here I can write 1 divided by 3 is 1 divided by 3 divided by 3 according to KCF rule, where K stand for keep, C stand for change and F stand for flip. We can write it as 1 divided by 3 time 3 time 1 upon 3, which is finally simplify and equal to 1 divided by 3 divided by 3, which is equal to 9. Guys, 1 divided by 9 is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe my channel for more videos.